Liberty stock 50994. It's an earth chain, model HD-735 spinner, serial number 7350321. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. We're ready to go here. It runs good. We've got a cycle going 1 minute each. 1 minute forward, 1 minute reverse. Got some pins in there for what it's worth. Just to move. Wow, look, they all stuck to my screwdriver. But yeah, we can run that up. And while it's running, I can play with the speed control. And I'll leave forward reverse alone. There goes that. Yeah, what else is there? Yeah, we can't run this yet. This changes on the fly. There's the hertz right there. Anyhow, 32 hertz, 35, all the way up to 60. Like I said, we'll fire it up as it's running. It's at 13 hertz. We'll start off low. Alarm is on. And yeah, that's about all there is to talk about. There we go. Let's just start it up. It's down low right now. We'll leave this up just to see. How's that? There we go. 10 hertz. At 10 hertz, I can take the cover off probably and just kind of see, take a close up. Then I'll fire it up. Got about 30 seconds left on the first minute, so I'm going to push that back in, fire it up a little bit. You can hear it better than see it. 31. You can see the bar graph too. I'm going to leave it right there until it switches over, then we'll go to 60. Because I think our minute is up. We'll go from here to here. You might be able to see it reverse. Take a look, yeah, maybe? Probably glare there. Yeah. Now we'll take it up high now. Pull up. Halfway. We'll let it dial down 1 minute on each timer. Got the beeper, got reset. Do that, reset it, back to start again. Done deal.